The liver is responsible for proper detoxification, breaks down proteins, and it is necessary for optimal digestion. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder work closely together in the body to absorb and digest food. Many foods can help to promote liver health and further detoxification. Vitamins and minerals that are important to keep a healthy liver include vitamins A, D, E, B12, and iron. Try to stay away from processed foods high in fat, sugar-laden foods, and refined carbohydrates as much as possible. Foods for liver health. Cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and more. Cruciferous means include any vegetable that is a part of the Brassicaceae or cabbage family. Leafy greens also have high amounts of chlorophyll, which can also help to further detoxify the liver. Chlorophyll can also help to reduce toxins from the bloodstream. Beets. Beets are a powerful blood cleanser, so they are naturally a great choice to improve liver health and functioning. Beetroot, beet juice, and raw beets are the most beneficial ways to get all the blood-cleaning benefits from this nutritious vegetable. Garlic. One of the oldest land-based medicinal foods on the planet, garlic contains an active sulfur-based compound called allicin, a critical supporter of liver detoxification. Olive oil. Olive oil is full of healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are important to keep the liver functioning well. This oil can help to minimize fat production in the liver and produce better blood flow. It can also play a role in preventing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Avoid cooking with olive oil at high heats. Try to only use it for cooking at temperatures below 375 degrees. Eggs. Eggs provide some of the highest quality protein, containing all 8 essential amino acids, cholesterol, and the essential nutrient choline. Your liver needs these essential amino acids to perform detoxification processes. Choline, a coenzyme needed for metabolism, is found in egg yolk and protects your liver from toxins while detoxifying heavy metals. Berries. Berries are a potent food for the liver, because of their high number of antioxidants and vitamins. Blueberries, cranberries, mulberries, and raspberries are all included in this category. There is evidence that berries can help to prevent liver cancer because of their antioxidant properties. Artichokes. 2 phytonutrients found in artichokes, cynarin and silymarin, have been shown to nourish your liver, increase bile production, and prevent gallstones. Avocado. Avocados are staples in many cuisines. They're technically a part of the berry family and offer many health benefits, including improved liver health. People who eat avocados are also more likely to have a lower body mass index, BMI, and waist circumference. They also have higher levels of HDL, good cholesterol. It's thought that some of these effects are related to the high fiber, healthy oil, and water content of avocados.